So to start, all we need to do is go to the BetterPlaced graphics folder here, double click that, and it'll take us to 4 individual files. Now each one represents a sector. We've got agency, FMCG, marketing and sales. Now I'm going to change the agency file. So what I'm going to do is double click on that and that'll take me straight into the Illustrator program. Now everything on this page is locked in place. Nothing needs to be changed other than the text. So how we do that is we go to the left and we select the T. Now that's the type tool. You can either do that by selecting that on the left or pressing T on the keyboard. Now to change the text, we go over to the text we want to change and highlight that. So when that's highlighted, you can then type on the keyboard and it will automatically change. So what I want to do is change my job title and then I change the location again by just highlighting the text and typing on the keyboard. I'm going to change the salary by selecting obviously the numbers I want to change, and then obviously if you're in Leeds or London you'll change the number, and again with the email, depending what your email is, you can just highlight that to change the whole thing or just your name. I'm just going to change my name because that's my email body, and there we go. So all we need to do now is save that as a JPEG. So what we're going to do is go over to the left again into the toolbar, select the tool, the arrow, and go to File, Export, Export As, and it'll take us to this page here. So you can change the title of the file. I'm going to change that to Web Designer because then I can make a separate folder and keep them in and use them again, and change the format into a JPEG. I'm going to change the location to save just so I know where it is onto the desktop, and then simply press Export. Don't need to change anything on this screen here. It's simple as pressing OK, and that's it. You don't need to save anything either because that's the mother file, so you can just go back and edit that whenever you need to. So I'm going to go to the desktop now, and my finished graphic is there. So it's got my job title, location and salary. My email's correct, the number's correct. Nothing needs to be changed. That's ready now to be uploaded onto LinkedIn, Instagram or Twitter, whatever platform you're using, and that's it. Any questions, send me an email. I'll be happy to go over that again. But yeah, so it takes literally 30 seconds. I've obviously slowed the process down to show you, but it doesn't take no more than the typing of a couple of letters. So cheers.